Good morning. One of the problems that we face on site is the interference in the sensor data from high power cables. This can be because of the power lines running or because of disturbances that occur because of the frequency controller of water pumps or any other electrical signals. When these lines are very close to the cables of the sensors, there's an interference and we get very erratic readings. One of the precautions that we have to take is that these cables and sensors are installed at least a meter away from these power lines. If we feel that the disturbances still continue, then these cables can be passed through metal conduits, which then again have to be grounded. One other care that is a must to be taken while installing these sensors, that this particular cable must be grounded. This is in all the sensors, whether you take load cells, you take tilt meters, or you take strain gauges. With these little precautions, we can reduce the effect of electrical disturbances and get good quality data. Have a great day.